Today we're test driving the all-new Honda Pilot. This one is the touring all-wheel drive model, and we're going to do a fuel economy test to see how well it performs. As you can see right now, I have a full tank of fuel, and on this full tank, my fuel range is estimated to be 604 kilometers before I run completely out of fuel. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to reset our trip meter. As you can see, I have trip A loaded up, and I'm just going to reset that right now. And now it reads 0. Let's do this with trip B as well. And now they both read 0. We're going to be driving this over the week and see how many kilometers we complete and how much of the tank we use. And after that, we'll head to the gas station to see how much it costs to fill up. So stay tuned. We just spent the week testing the Honda Pilot, and we have some numbers to share with you. As you can see, we've driven a total of 398.4 kilometers, and we've used up more than a half tank of fuel. You'll also notice that the remaining fuel range is 200 kilometers, and our average fuel economy is 10.3 liters per 100 kilometers. My driving conditions have been pretty basic. I haven't had the air conditioning on at all, but I have had the sound system on the whole time. Also, I did about 60% of my driving in the city and about 40% on the highway, just to give you an idea of how I got the numbers that I did. What we're going to do now is we're going to hit the fuel station right here and fill the tank back up. And after that, we will do some calculations to see how much it costs to fill up, as well as our actual fuel economy based on our calculations. So stay tuned. As you can see, it costs us $56.38 to fill up 49.5 liters of fuel at a fuel cost of $113.9 per liter. As you just saw, we spent $56.38 to fill up 49.5 liters of fuel at a fuel cost of $1.139 per liter. As you will also notice, that our tank is back up to full, and it shows that we have a balanced fuel range of 617 kilometers on this tank that we filled up. What we'll do now is we'll calculate our actual fuel economy, and how we're going to do that is we'll take the 398.5 kilometers that we've driven and divide that by the 49.5 liters of fuel that we filled up. So 398.5 kilometers divided by 49.5 liters gives us 8 kilometers per liter. So essentially, every liter of fuel will give you 8 kilometers of driving. Now that we have the kilometers per liter number, we'll calculate our actual fuel range. And how we're going to do that is we'll take the 8 kilometers per liter that we achieved and multiply that by the fuel capacity on the Honda Pilot. So 8 kilometers per liter multiplied by 73.8 liters, which is the fuel capacity, gives us 590 kilometers. So essentially, on a full tank, you can expect 590 kilometers of driving. What we'll do now is we'll calculate our cost per kilometer. And how we're going to do that is we'll take the $56.38 that we spent filling up and divide that by 398.50, which is the total number of kilometers that we drove. So 56.38 divided by 398.50 gives us 14 cents per kilometer. So essentially, every kilometer in the Pilot costs us 14 cents. And finally, what we're going to do is we'll calculate our cost we can expect to spend on a full tank of fuel. And how we're going to do that is we'll take the 73.8 liters, which is the fuel capacity of the Pilot, and multiply that by $1.13.9 per liter, which is our local fuel price. For a more accurate estimate on how much you can expect to spend, take your local fuel rate at the pump. But in our case, it was $1.13.9 per liter. So let's take the two numbers. So 73.8 liters multiplied by 1.139 gives us $84.05. So on a full tank of fuel, we can expect to spend $84.05.